Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 126622. This watch contains a random serial number indicating it was produced by Rolex in the year 2016 or later. The characteristics include a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with an Oyster lock clasp. The dial is a dark rhodium dial with the chromalight display and has a blue seconds hand. The case is 40mm Oyster steel with a platinum rotatable time-lapse bezel, an inner reflector ring engraved with the serial number, and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, as well as an automatic 3-2-3-5 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with a Rolex box, booklet, hang tag, and we offer a Bob's certificate of authenticity. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the link in the description below or by searching for Bob's Watches 126622 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.